Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful pattern. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and two buttons. This pattern is very easy to do and this pattern can be used as bracelet or as mask adapter. To do this pattern, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, half double crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful pattern. To make it as mask adapter, we have added two buttons on either side. To make it as a bracelet, we will add one button on one side and buttonhole on the other side. So now let's see how to do this beautiful pattern. Start with slip knot. Do 70 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it is chain. We have to do 70 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After doing 70 chain, it looks like this. Next, we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. We are going to do half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. We'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. Next stitch half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Likewise, you're going to do half double crochet in each stitch for 33 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. After doing half double crochet in each stitch for 33 stitches, it looks like this. Next stitch, you're going to do 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. So likewise, we'll be doing half double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. By following the same pattern, we have to do one more piece. After doing them, it looks like this. Now let's see how to join them together. Place the first piece like this. Take the next piece. So place it like this. Next take this piece, bring it this. Next take this piece and place it like this. Insert it. Next we will pull them. It looks like this. Next we can join both these sides. Same way we have to weave the other side also. After joining them, it looks like this. Next we can add 2 buttons on either side like this to make it as a mask adapter. For bracelet, add 1 button on one side and we'll do buttonhole on the other side. Mask adapter or bracelet pattern looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.